Sure. So now the next assignment will be delivered by Vandana Kumari, and the topic is cheese starters. Okay, fine. Vandana, तुम शुरू करो.
Yes. Good afternoon to all of you. Today I am going to represent my topic, starter culture and fermented milk product.
Okay.
I'm change the slide.
Okay. ये hang हो जा रहा है ना.
And you can see in the first slide, addition of a starter culture in cheese making. As we know that different type of starter culture are used in different type of cheese making. And next we'll discuss classification of a starter culture. And first we need to understand the definition of cheese culture. It is a group of specific bacteria put together for making a specific cheese. And first classification based on function. Lactic starters. It includes Lactococcus lactis subspecies lactis, Lactococcus lactis subspecies ceremoris. Lactic acid bacteria convert lactose to lactic acid. It is responsible for lowering the pH of milk so that the rennet act properly. Non-lactic starters. Non-lactic starters, lactic acid bacteria dominates cheese microbiota during ripening. They tolerate the hostile environment well and strongly influence the biochemistry of curd mutation, contributing to the development of final texture or characteristics of the cheese. For example, Lactococcus casei, subspecies casei. And next to based on temperature. Mesophilic starter and thermophilic starter. Mesophilic starters are which used to make most of cheese, such as dahi culture, Lactococcus subspecies, means medium loving, and it's grow at temperature 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. Streptococcus lactis, Streptococcus ceremoris, Streptococcus lactis, Streptococcus diacetylactis. And next to the another slide. Thermophilic starter means heat loving. This type of starter culture is added to milk heated to higher temperature, and its optimum growth temperature 37 to 47 degrees Celsius. For example, Streptococcus thermophilus, Lactococcus lactis vulgaricus. Product for which used in different type of cheese. Composition of cheese starter. Cheddar cheese, Streptococcus diacetylactis, Streptococcus ceremoris. Gouda cheese, Streptococcus lactis. Cottage cheese, Streptococcus lactis, Streptococcus ceremoris. Swiss cheese, Lactobacillus casei. Classification based on fermentation, and there are two fermentation: homofermentation and heterofermentation. In homofermentation, produce mainly lactic acid. Primary microflora lab are microfermentative. Homofermentative, sorry, heterofermentative. Lactic acid plus carbon dioxide plus acetate plus ethanol. Secondary microflora are mainly heterofermentative. Presence or absence of flavor producing bacteria and their kind. D-type culture contains both citrate containing and non-fermenting lactococci but non-leuconostoc species. O or N-type culture consists lactococci that do not ferment citrate. In this type of starter culture, flavor producing microorganism absent. B-type culture. In this type of a starter culture, flavor producing microorganism presents. Example, leuconostoc. BD type, as we know, I have the mix of B or D type culture. Desirable properties of cheese starter. Culture should contain desired type of micro capable of forming lactic acid in milk for the type of cheese being made. Culture should have reasonable heat, acid, and tolerance to without cooking temperature and to maintain activity. Effect desired change during manufacturing and ripening of cheese, for example, gas control, proteolytic and lipolytic action, and no development of flavor. Culture should be stable against mutation, free from yeast, mold, coliform. Culture should be free from any preservatives. Adjunct cheese culture. Adjunct cheese culture enhance the characteristics, aroma, flavor, and texture of cheese. Common adjunct culture added during manufacturing include Lactobacillus casei, Lactobacillus flatyrium for flavor. In cheddar cheese, or the use of propionic bacterium for eye formation. In cheese, adjunct culture are also used as a swimmer for washing the outside of the formed cheese, such as use of Brevibacterium, lines, or brick and Limburger cheese. Artisanal culture. Artisanal culture are mixture of several Genera species and lactic acid bacteria. This type of cheese produced by hand using the traditional art of a skilled cheese maker. It may contain lactococci, lactobacillus, streptococci, enterococci, probably give the cheese a special flavor characteristics. Thank you to all.
Thank you. So, कोई question है? Anybody have question regarding this presentation? बोलो.
No ma'am.
ये तो ऑलरेडी डिस्कस भी हो चुका है ये चीज़ का, जो स्टार्टर कल्चर कल ही मेरे ख्याल से पढ़ाए हैं हम, लेकिन वरना
Yes ma'am.
हाँ, वरना सब चीज़ों को बहुत अच्छे से मतलब कैच की है, और जो क्लासिफिकेशन है आधा जो मेरे स्लाइड में छूट गया था उसको वंदना ने पूरा ओ टाइप एंड बी टाइप एंड डी टाइप इन सबको डिस्कस किया. सो बहुत अच्छा है वंदना, सो थैंक यू वेरी मच. ओके, सो जो चीज स्टार्टर तुम्हारा अब खत्म हो चुका है, जो आर्टिसनल एंड एडजंक्ट स्टार्टर चीज स्टार्टर था वो भी आज वंदना उसको कवर कर चुकी. सो जो चीज का चैप्टर है वो पूरा तुम्हारा खत्म हो चुका. ओके, तो नेक्स्ट में अब जो नेक्स्ट क्लास होगा उसमें काजल और किसका, रबीश का होगा.
मैम ऋषि.
रबीश का कब होगा?
मैम अभी थोड़ा देर पहले किए मैम.
ऋषि का होगा.